Itching to get more power from your Ford 5-liter Coyote, but don't want to blow your budget? You're in luck, because in today's video, we're covering the top affordable performance mods that'll give your Coyote-powered Mustang or F-150 serious bite without breaking the bank. Sure, the Coyote is already very capable from the factory, but with the right bolt-ons, you can unlock some serious horsepower and completely transform how it drives. Let's break down the best bang for your buck upgrades. But first, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos and projects. The Ford 5-liter Coyote was first introduced in 2011 and is now on its fourth evolution. The first generation, from 2011 to 2014, was rated from 412 horsepower to 420 horses. The second generation, from 2015 to 17, was rated at 435 horsepower for the Mustang, while third generation upped the ante to 460 horsepower from 2018 to 2023. The latest iteration, introduced for the Mustang in 2024, produces 480 horses in stock form. Pretty impressive numbers, but there are still some affordable ways to pull more power from the 5-liter Coyote. And these budget-friendly mods deliver no matter which generation you've got under your hood. First up, cold air intakes. These are one of the easiest and most affordable mods to install. They increase airflow, improve throttle response, and can add anywhere from 5 to 20 horsepower, especially when paired with a tune. Plus, they're probably the easiest mod to install. Popular options like the Roush intake even offer carb-compliant versions that don't require a tune right away. Number 2 on our list of affordable Coyote upgrades is a proper tune. Although your new cold air intake doesn't necessarily require a tune, the right tune will maximize the performance. That's because as it sits, your Mustang's computer may not be calibrated to take advantage of the increased airflow and density from your new CAI. A proper tune is hands down one of the most effective upgrades you can do. Tuning optimizes your air-fuel ratio, ignition timing, and can dramatically boost performance, especially when combined with an intake or new exhaust. Whether you go with an HP tuner, Hypertech, or even a custom dyno tune, expect noticeable gains and sharper throttle response. Number 3 on our list are the exhaust upgrades. If you want more power and better sound, upgrading your exhaust is a no-brainer. A simple axle back or cat back system can free up a few ponies and add that aggressive V8 rumble. A cat back is among the most popular upgrades, while an axle back is less expensive. While an axle back kit can give your pony a more aggressive growl, it won't deliver the performance benefits of a cat back system. A cat back exhaust can up your horsepower output by as much as 3%. And a set of long tube headers will take it a step further, reducing back pressure and increasing top end power. Gains of 15 to 30 horsepower aren't uncommon. If you're looking for more mid to high RPM performance, an upgraded intake manifold is worth the look. Some aftermarket versions have been shown to add up to 16 horsepower and 27 pound-feet of torque over stock. Even porting your stock manifold or heads can deliver 35 to 50 horsepower gains when done right. Next up, throttle bodies. A larger throttle body increases airflow and improves throttle response. Swapping in a GT350 style unit, for example, can net around 10 to 15 extra horsepower. Once you start pushing beyond 500 horsepower, you'll need to support your upgrades with upgraded fuel delivery. That means higher flow injectors, a higher flow fuel pump, and maybe even new fuel rails. It's not a starter mod, but it's crucial if you're aiming for serious numbers. So what's the best mod path for your Coyote? Start with a cold air intake and a tune. That's your foundation. From there, add exhaust and intake upgrades, and go deeper with fueling or suspension as your build grows. Let us know in the comments what your goals are: daily driver, track build, or something in between. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more Coyote tech and build tips. Your Coyote is built to run. Help it run faster without blowing your budget. We can help.